Falling on your feet, do you finally see what you're missing?
Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. In today's video I am collabing with the lovely company Pinkzio, and I'm going to show you a cool product that they just sent me to try it at home and share with you my honest opinion. And if you are interested to learn more about this, then just keep on watching. Before jumping into the video, if you are not subscribed to this channel, I would love to have you part of my family, so don't forget to hit that red button and give this video a thumbs up. So before we are starting, I want to give you some background, some overview of the company Pinkzio, because it's nice to introduce you whom I'm going to collab for this video. So Pinkzio is a global leading beauty company for at-home beauty devices, and they do offer top quality laser hair removal tools. Pinkzio provides 3 different hair removal devices that are specially tailored for all kind of hair removal needs. They do offer free worldwide shipping and 90 days try it risk-free for all products. So I think this is a fantastic thing. They also did share with me a discount code. I will have it linked in my description box, so if you are going to use it, I'm going to get a small commission that is going towards supporting and funding this channel. So I want to thank you if you are going to do that. Pinkzio connects people through beauty, sharing passion, innovation and expertise. We employ the power of beauty to transform people's lives for the better. On this notion, we provide 3 different hair removal devices. At Pinkzio, we have a team that consists of high-trained estheticians, technicians, and customer representatives, ensuring your needs are suited. With our brand's mission and objective center of integrity, quality, and creating positive vibes, we aim to inspire creativity and to enhance the beauty that you already have within our custom-made hair removal products that give your hair the best experience. Pinkzio vision is to establish itself as the premier laser removal company by creating the best customer experience while elevating our industry as we grow. The product that they have sent me is the ICE Cooling Painless Handset, and I actually unboxed it already. I have recorded another unboxing video last week, but due to the fact that my kids were at home, the footage is kind of compromised, so I said better start it from scratch. But I think I'm going to include the original unboxing because now I have used it already and the products are not exactly as they were when I received it, and you know that I'm very good on removing products and not being able to put them back. So yeah, I love the beautiful packaging, very sleek box, and I'm actually keeping the product in the box. So here it's written, home use IPL hair removal, technology keeps beauty alive. Pinkzio, power to your beauty. In the back it's plain. And we have some information here. Professional IPL hair removal system. IPL stands from intense pulse light. You cannot use IPL type of devices if you are pregnant, if you are breastfeeding, or in case that you have some skin issues like cancer, God forbid, or wounds, open wounds, also on tattoos, or if you have some other conditions, you better check with your physicians, because I'm not a doctor, so I cannot tell you exactly what's right for you. The ICE Cooling Painless Headset retails for $159 right now when I'm recording this video, but they do have an offer, and I'm also going to link my discount code, and it's ICE Cool, and it's also painless, and I can testify that. I'm going to tell you later because I have already used it not earlier than yesterday. The professional laser hair removal offers almost painless treatment due to revolutionary cooling system. It has a functionality that you turn it on because the heat from the IPL might cause a rather heating sensation. If you have the cooling to balance that one, it's even better. It has 5 energy levels and 2 modes, 5 different energy levels to adapt for different skin. Also, the products are safe. Our products have passed strict inspection and totally meet various export standards. They are also FDA approved. I have checked earlier on the website. The product is not suitable for eyebrows, and it has a upgraded in-grow technology for hair removal kit. Also, you have to check to see if your skin tone is suitable for IPL, because those are not suitable for all skin tones and for all hair colors. For example, if you have gray hair and your skin is pale, but I think for gray hair it's not working at all. Doesn't matter. Yeah, so it's not working for gray and for light blonde hair. And also, if you have very dark skin, the chances are it's not going to work for you. Now I'm going to open it, and we have a instruction card, user manual of hair removal, and this is in English only. Here it will show you how to turn on and to set up your device. So it's mentioned this aspect. Then we have our IPL device. This is the ICE Cooling Painless Handset, which looks like that. And you have a charger that I have already took it out from the package because I told you that I have used it. They kindly provided with a European adapter, and this is the machine, the device. This is what it looks like, and the length of the wire, I would say it's about 1.5 meters, which is quite convenient. When you turn it on, it will show you here on the display the power, the intensity level that you are at the moment. Also, it will show you how many pulses you have, almost 1 million pulses, that it will last you forever. You are not going to be able to finish this if you are just using for you and for your family, of course, because this is suitable for men and women. And also, what I have read on their instructions is that it's better if you have a partner to assist you when you are treating you at home, because this is of course made to use it for your home convenience, especially if you are going to work on your femur area, on the back side of your femur area. It's better to have someone to assist you because you are not going to be seeing what you are doing. I am quite experienced now and I know how to do it, but when I was using my first device that is no longer working, my husband was assisting me. It's coming also with a razor, which I haven't used it yet. It's cute, it's black, just a plain razor, and a pair of goggles. Those are for infrared, so you should not by any chance look at the powerful intense light, because it will affect the vision, to say that. So yeah, the intense light, it's absorbed by the color of your eyes, and those goggles are very good for my face. I would love to have some sunnies exactly this size, because I like my sunglasses to be rather big, so very excited about them. I have used them yesterday and I'm loving them. And that's all. This device has 5 levels of intensity. I have used the medium, the number 3, on my I think you are calling in English calf, from knee down to your feet, so I think that's called calf. But I'm only going to treat one leg, because on the other leg I'm using another device which I'm also testing, but I'm going to also test it on my armpit. I already took few photos before and after, and on my hands, my hair is rather blonde. I think I'm going to come closer, but I think you are not be able to tell. So I will try to take better before picture just to see the improvement that is going to be after I'm going to try this product for 2 months. So it's recommended to use it for better results 2 to 3 times a week within first 4 weeks, and after that you can switch to 1 or 2 times a week, depending also on the quantity of the hair that you have. When you plug it, it will show you that it's on off position. To start it, you have the on and off button, which is with copper shade. Beside you have the cooling system. So I'm going to start it, and it's starting to operate. And right now I have 999,592 pulses. So I have used 400, almost 500 pulses. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm going to put it on zoom. To tune the intensity, you should press on the power button. Right now it will always start with the power 1, the level 1, and it goes up to 5. Now it's full. And also to decrease on the same power button up to level 1. And beside you have the cooling functionality, which is now turned on. It will show you here the mode. To operate it, this is the flash button, and even if you are press on it, it will not start. It only has to be in contact with your skin. I'm going just to show you. I'm going to close my eyes. Just a demo, short demo on my head. Let's switch it off now. Press long. And it takes 10 seconds to switch off. But yeah, this is all for today. I'm going to use it for a number of 8 weeks, and I'm going to come back to show you the before and after pictures. A special thank you to Pinkzio for sending me this product. This product is sent to me for free in exchange of using and sharing with you my honest opinion. Only the link that I have provided in the description box is an affiliate link. But yeah, this is everything for today. If you are wondering about the eye makeup, I have used the Natasha Denona pastel palette, and I have this color on my entire lid. This as a transition, this color is in the outer V, and this color is in the inner corner. Thank you guys so much for taking the time to watch. Do not forget that the most beautiful makeup is your own smile, and I'm going to see you soon with another video.